Anyway guys, I've arrived here at Kärcher in Cape Town, and nice rainy day, nice little gap in the clouds. We're going to step inside with Neil from Kärcher Cape Town, and he's going to give us a demonstration on two of the most awesome machines for the flooring industry that I've seen in a while. They really got me excited. I think they're going to add a lot of value to the industry as a whole and save a lot of floors because they will provide the correct cleaning process. Anyway, let's go and have a look.
Just hold tight, we're up at the moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light, believe in the magic.
Hey Neil.
How's it going?
Cool. Thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out your busy day to come through and chat to the viewers about Kärcher and Kärcher's fantastic products, specifically for vinyls, laminates, and engineered woods. You know, there's a whole lot needed for residential and commercial, and people get a little confused. So, you know, we've got these hand appliances, but this is a little bit of a different animal. Can you talk us through these two tools that we've got here?
Well, we can start with the FC5, which is this one over here. Perfect for household use to clean your vinyl floorings, your tiles. It's got two microfiber rollers which picks up any excess dirt that's sitting on the floor. It releases water and it sucks it up at the same time.
Okay, can we have a look at that? Because that was, I've seen this before and I found this absolutely so exciting. So these are the microfiber rollers that you're talking about?
Yeah, those are the microfiber rollers. Your clean water sits inside this tank here.
Okay.
It's got a one switch function, so you'll switch the machine on, the water releases down the machine onto the microfiber rollers and then sucks up afterwards. So
okay, so it actually it applies the water and it sucks it up, so it leaves no water on the surface. So it's actually the flooring is exposed to water for like a couple of nanoseconds.
Yeah, it's very small amount of contact with the water.
All right, and then what's this thing over here?
This is where after you've now done your actual cleaning and it gets sucked up, it goes into your back reservoir tank. This is where all the dirty water would sit.
Okay, so it doesn't mix it up. Clean water in the front, sprays on the front of the roller. On the back of the roller, it sucks off the dirt and the dirty water and keeps them separate. That's like a no-brainer.
The front you can, if you want to, you can put chemicals into the machine. So you'd put the chemicals into your front tank and then it'll get sucked up and goes into your back tank.
Oh, that is fantastic. Can we see how this thing works? We've got a little bit of water here, so let's just like switch the baby on. So it's almost like walking the dog a bit. So as it's like the wheels, the rollers are pulling, it actually pulls you along a bit like walking a dog, but that's actually the resistance that's actually using the microfiber technology to actually remove the dirt off the floor. That's really cool.
So also the nice thing when you're done with this machine is that you throw water into this bucket. You'll then insert the machine into the actual black tank and you switch it on. And we'll then clean the machine for you at the same time, cleaning out all your pipes and everything and ready to your black tank. Okay. And then it's ready to store.
So just to rehash, that you can run the machine in this little tray after a cleaning session to just clean out your microfiber roller so it's ready for the next session. That is so cool. All right, let's try out this big boy. Tell us a bit more about that, please.
Okay, so this is your BR30/4, which is the industrial version of the FC5. It's got a 4-liter reservoir tank. This is where your clean water will go inside.
Okay.
Easy to remove and to fill it up by the tap and then just insert it back into the actual holder. Your dirty water goes inside here. You can take them both out together when you want to do your cleaning process. also easily just clips back in. You pull the handle down, push it, and release.
That is fantastic. But this one's got a little bit extra. This one's got a little bit of like something under the hood.
Yeah. Nice thing with this machine is it's got interchangeable brushes.
So we've got red brushes, we've got microfiber, we've got a range of accessories that can go into the front of this, which is so cool.
Yeah.
And I'm super excited about this because for like wire brushed floors and floors with a deeper V groove, this is the perfect tool to actually get the dirt out of those grooves, especially in a restaurant, high cleaning, high action. This is the baby.
Yeah. Also, the nice thing with this machine is you can scrub with this machine without sucking it up. So if you need to do a deep clean and you need the chemical to adhere to the actual floor for a while,
yes,
you can do the scrub, leave it for a minute or 2 or 5 minutes, and then come over again and suck it up. But it's got retractable squeegee blades.
Ah, and the squeegee blades are these bits on the front here, these blue bits over here. This is absolutely fantastic. So
yeah, also this machine you can suck forwards and backwards because it's got squeegee blades on both sides of your actual brush.
Fantastic. Can we see it in action, please? Awesome. Thank you very much. Neil, really appreciate your time.
It's a pleasure.
So if people are interested in these kind of products, they can give you an email, drop you an email, get onto your website.
That's it. We can do everything here. You can contact us, ITS Kärcher Cape Town. That's it.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.